Are you looking for the best part-time jobs in Canada? Check out these top 15 opportunities that offer flexibility, financial stability, and a variety of interests. In this video, we will explore the top 15 part-time job opportunities that will provide you with the flexibility and financial stability you need. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for extra income, these jobs offer various options to fit your schedule and interests. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's get started. 1. Food delivery driver. Food delivery services have become increasingly popular, and being a food delivery driver can be a lucrative part-time job. Flexible hours, the ability to work independently, and the potential for tips make this a desirable option for many. 2. Retail sales associate. Working as a retail sales associate allows you to interact with customers and gain valuable experience in the retail industry. Plus, many retail positions offer employee discounts, which can be an added bonus. 3. Customer service representative. Customer service representatives are in demand across various industries, and this job often comes with flexible hours. If you enjoy helping others and have excellent communication skills, this could be the perfect part-time job for you. 4. Freelance writer. If you have a knack for writing, consider becoming a freelance writer. With the rise of content marketing, there are plenty of opportunities to work on writing projects and earn a steady income. 5. Virtual assistant. As more businesses embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has increased. If you are organized, efficient, and have strong computer skills, this job could be a great fit for you. 6. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have teaching experience, tutoring can be a rewarding part-time job. You can choose to tutor in person or online, providing flexibility and the ability to work around your schedule. 7. Social media manager. If you are social media savvy, consider working as a social media manager. Many businesses are looking for individuals to create and manage their online presence, making this a valuable skill set. 8. Pet sitter. Becoming a pet sitter can be a fun and fulfilling part-time job if you love animals. You can offer your services through platforms like Rover or start your own pet sitting business. 9. Event staff. Working as an event staff allows you to be part of various events, such as concerts, sporting events, and conferences. It can be an exciting job that offers flexibility and the opportunity to attend events for free or at a discounted rate. 10. Graphic designer. If you have a creative eye and design skills, consider working as a graphic designer. Many companies and individuals need design services, providing a steady stream of part-time work. 11. Fitness instructor. If you are passionate about fitness, becoming a fitness instructor can be a fulfilling part-time job. You can lead classes at gyms and community centers, or even offer virtual classes. 12. Language translator. If you are bilingual or multilingual, working as a language translator can be a great part-time opportunity. Many businesses and individuals require translation services, offering a steady source of work. 13. Photographer. If you have a talent for capturing moments, consider working as a photographer. You can specialize in weddings, events, portraits, or even stock photography. 14. Mystery shopper. Being a mystery shopper allows you to get paid for evaluating customer experiences. You can visit stores, restaurants, or other establishments and provide feedback on your experience. 15. Online survey taker. While it may not provide a significant income, taking online surveys can be an easy way to earn some extra money in your spare time. Many companies offer cash or rewards for completing surveys. Canada offers a wide range of part-time job opportunities that can suit various interests and schedules. Whether you are looking for flexibility, financial stability, or the opportunity to pursue your passions, these top 15 part-time jobs have you covered. So, don't hesitate to explore these options and find the perfect part-time job. Thanks for watching.